This is going to be a video tutorial on how to convert a Google Docs file to a Word Docs file. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have a little example project going on here in Google Docs. To save your Google Docs as a Word Docs, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is go up to the upper left hand corner to where you see it says File and click on File. Then you want to go down to where it says Download and place your mouse cursor over Download. Then you will go straight across and right here Microsoft Word. You want to click on Microsoft Word. Now it will ask you the destination that you want to save this file to, and you can rename the file if you would like. As you can see, save as type, Microsoft Word, Docs. I'm going to go over and I'm going to click on Save. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom down here and I'm going to click on that file that I just saved. And it will open it into Word. As you can see here, now it is a Word document. That is how you convert a Google Docs to a Word document. Thanks for watching.